Page 54. Please use headphones. So, Carlos made up a game in a deck of cards. The red cards, the hearts, and the diamonds are negative. So let's put some things in order here. Hearts and diamonds are negative. And then the black cards, the spades and the clubs, are positive. So, spades and clubs are positive. So let's highlight some positives and negatives down here. So, hearts are negative. Diamonds are negative. Hearts are negative. It looks like clubs and spades are positive. So let's highlight the positive cards here. Spades are positive and clubs are positive. And now let's put in the numbers here that match these words. So a king of hearts is a face card. So a king of hearts is negative 10. A jack of hearts is a face card and it's negative 10. And then number cards are worth their value, so this one is just worth 3. So now we're supposed to write an expression to find the value of her cards. So she has two groups of negative 10 plus 3. So that will be the same as 2 times 10 is 20. But remember, positive times a negative is a negative. Plus 3 equals 17 points for her, but negative 17 points. And then Warren has a positive 7, a positive 2, and a negative 7. Positive 7, positive 2, negative 7. Looks like the 7s will cancel each other out, and he'll have 2 points. So, if the greater score wins, who won? Warren won, because 2 is greater than negative 7. If the player gets 3 cards, describe 2 different ways to receive a score of 7. So, we need 2 of spades, 2 of clubs, plus 3 of clubs equals 7. Or we could do 10 of hearts, and that's negative. And we could do a 10 of hearts, and then we could do a 10 of spades, plus a 7 of clubs, and that would equal 7, because these 10s will cancel, and you're left with 7. Write a problem that the expression 3 times negative 7 minus 10 plus 25 could represent. Alright, cool. Bill bought 3 shirts, each for $7. He bought a pizza and found $25 in his back pocket. What was his overall spending? Alright, cool. So we got 2 groups of 7, we got a minus 10, and we got a plus 25. Sounds good. Jim found the quotient of 2 integers. Quotient means divide. Alright, so and got a positive integer. So we know that when you're dividing, you can do positive divided by a positive equals a positive, or you can do negative divided by a negative gives you a positive. He added another integer to the quotient and got a positive integer. So his sister Kim says that all the integers Jim used to get the result must be positive. Do you agree? No. So here's an example. You could do negative 12 divided by negative 2 plus 4. And let's see what you get. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 plus 4 equals 10. So we disagree. Whoa, sorry. Dividing two negatives will give you a positive. Add to that, and it is still positive. Lisa is standing on a dock beside a lake. Let's draw a picture of that. So here we go. Here's our lake. And here's the dock. Make it black. And here's Lisa standing there. She's a little bit purple. And has very pretty hair. And then she drops a rock from her hand into the lake. Let's draw the rock. It's going to be this color of a rock. So right here is the rock. She drops a rock from her hand to the lake. After the rock hits the surface of the lake, the rock's distance from the lake surface changes at a rate of 5 inches per second. Okay, so we've got 5 inches per second, and it's 4 seconds. So times that by 4. If Lisa holds her hand 5 feet, alright, so that's different. Feet, 5 feet here, and inches here, so be careful. If Lisa holds her hand 5 feet above the lake's surface, how far from the lake, from Lisa's hand, is the rock 4 seconds after it hits the surface? So, it starts out going down 5 feet, and then it goes down 5 inches for every second, and it went down 4 seconds. So, this right here, this distance is 5 feet. And then it goes down 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds. Five inches per second. So here's 5 inches, 5 inches, 5 inches, 5 inches. So it went down 5 feet, and then it went down 5 inches 4 times. So it's down 5 feet minus 20 inches. But we have two labels here, and that's not going to work. We need to make them the same labels, feet and inches. So change the feet to inches. After we change the feet to the inches, we will have our final answer. We know 1 foot is 12 inches. So 5 times 12 is 60. So that's 60 inches negative minus 20 inches equals negative 80 inches. Whoa, sloppy, sorry. So the rock is 80 inches away from her. Thank you.